morning. My name is Lorrie. Welcome to my channel. We are quilters. I'm so glad that you are returning today. Or if you're new here, welcome. Today we are working on the sign of 4 quilt. We are making the last block. And then at the end, I will share all the blocks. Quick review. Let's go over the parts and pieces for today. And this is going to be a quick show. I don't know if I will ever do a sew along quite like this one again. It has been a challenge to come up with topics to go along with the same block. I did do at least one block with this fabric earlier. So I have leaves and the center, or I should say the ring around the center, and then the same old fabrics, the background, the very center, and I see this way looks best, the strips to make the 16 patches for the corners, and oh wait, I forgot to, the center of the cross is this lovely blue fabric. Let me pull that back up there. Those go together. So a solid and a nice large scale print. So as I assemble this today, I am going to take photographs of the units, and then I will share a review of all the blocks with you. My hope this week is that you will send, even if it's a picture of one block, that you will send some block pictures to me to share on the block parade. It does not have to be anything big or finished, but even a block would be good. It is amazing how differently we interpret a pattern with fabric. Enjoy the rest of the show. Before I start sharing the blocks with you, let me remind you that Chapter 12, the last chapter in the book, becomes available today. It is quite lengthy, but oh, it's a good one. I hope you enjoy the audio presentation. And now, on with the block parade. A quick review of all the blocks. Next week, join me for putting all of the blocks together. Hope you've enjoyed. Have a great day. Bye.